Welcome to the second part of the class. It's still the first class of the first week, and this is the second set of slides. Actually, it's a slideshow. You should start this slideshow when you have installed your Office 365 on your computer, either a PC or a Mac. It is necessary that you have 365, the latest version of Office, installed from JSU platform, from MyJSU, then slides before this explain you how to do. Because otherwise you might hit some problems in following up all the teaching that we are doing. I trust you are ready, and let's move on with a common joint project for all of us, same project for all of us, that will serve us as a test bed for learning all the features and skills that we have to. And for this exercise, we locate an interesting book here, which is called the Times Atlas. And we do an exercise on Imagine What. We start with remaking a single brochure for all of us. Each one of you will produce exactly the same brochure using exactly the same text and closely following exactly my instructions. This will be a brochure style. This document will be our practice exercise to learn how to use Word professionally. That is, formatting, or how to use the building blocks, and how to use the sections. This Bhutan brochure will also be a guideline for a test on Word that you will have to do in a couple of weeks. That will be made of follow a set of instructions that will be exactly like what we are doing now. So go to the link on Wikipedia, which you see on the slide, and find there the text. Follow the instructions on the next slide, please. The first operation in preparing any professional document is, first of all, provide the content. Everything else comes afterwards. Style, formats, and adjustment comes after you have found and filled into the document the content in the unformatted way. Or, well, good part of the content, at least. So, first of all, open the Wikipedia link, select the text on the first part of the page, the introduction, and then just copy. Stop there. Then open your Word, a new Word blank document, and paste text only. It means right-click on the blank page and use the option you see here on screen. Next slide will show you exactly how. By default, Word shows the document in single page mode. To view multiple pages, which is useful, you can go to Displays, click Multiple Pages, and you will find the document in a convenient multiple page mode, which is useful if we have to modify and have a look at how it comes out. Once in multiple page mode, zoom out and zoom in from the bottom right corner of the screen to accommodate as many pages as you feel comfortable with on the screen. So go on clearing the document of any extra content which is not necessary, like extra lines, captions of pictures, further information low Bhutan, we don't need that, and remove all these 37, all these numbers, they refer to the footnotes. It's a bit of a nuisance, but I want a clear and neat document now ready for you. I will allow you, if we were in class time, some 15 minutes to do all that. Okay, I'll give you now some pause time to clean up the document, removing the extra line, the footnotes, and which is unnecessary. End up with a document which is just text. Do not format, do not make bold, do not underline, do not change, do not think. We will going to do that together in the next quarter of hours, and save it somewhere, preferably on your CS110 folder on your computer. And after that, whenever you are ready, you can resume the class by reading the slideshow 4.3.